Hi guys, Doggy River here, and today this is my first video. I'm on my dad's account, and in my first video, I'm gonna be on Blockstar Planet. That's like my favorite game on the phone, but my favorite game on the computer is Animal Jam. Animal Jam is right this year. Got someone wanted. It's from Panda Bear Love. Um, she's my buddy. I know her in real life. She's my sister's best friend. And let's get on with the video. So in the video, we're gonna do parkour. Sorry, my language is on Polish because I'm a Polish person. And let me just find my favorite parkour. So it's a Fuji parkour, and it's hard, but mostly it's just stairs. Some purple acid under it. They kind of this, I think it's sweet floating. Yeah, it's what I'm looking for. It should be hard. Okay, so let's go. Yes, it is there. Can easily just go in the middle of two tires. Okay, I need to go this first. It's kind of easy, but it gets harder and harder. The blueberries, the strawberries, the cherries. I actually never eventually finished this parkour, but I still like it. My sister likes it, but my sister doesn't play Planet. She plays Movie Star Planet, but I rather play Planet and Blockstar. Nobody's been one is a kind of tricky, curved and tricky to fall off. And I need to do a double jump on them so I don't fall into the acid below me. It's kind of purplish acid. The purple acid would actually go one way. Then I sink in it and then things get all bad. I eventually wasn't even able to finish with cherries. Never. I never went on the rainbow thing too. I never knew what the rainbow thing was. And I just fell into the purple acid. Okay, so we'll leave Blockstar Planet for now and we'll go here. Today um, was going to try to get some help in my den. My den is I'm just go to it. Yeah, it's all icy. So yeah, I was going to make myself a pack. So let's go to Gemma and make the pack. Okay, when you go down, and say hi, hi, yo, hi, at my den. I pack my den. And let's see if anyone goes to my den. Probably no one, cause like I never succeed. That one. Okay, we'll go to Blackstar Lemons, and we'll come back to see if eventually someone actually went to my den. Over some coins which weren't there before. Relax. Relax. My favorite game is really laggy on the computer, but I don't know why. Like it's so easy, but it's laggy. Got a coin. I'm even rather playing on the phone. The worst bit, I'm honest. But the cherries are even worse. You know, like cherries, you fall on them, then you need to go all the way to them again. But we're not far. We're just far into the parkour. And purple acid. I'm gonna just run straight through if I fall. Now let's check if anyone's on my end. No one wants to send a message. If this time no one comes, I'm gonna go crazy. Well, this game's so laggy, so let's play. Oh, maybe we'll just not play this. I'll stop playing. Come on, Rockstar. Okay, we'll play mini games in here. So I like all sorts of games like this game, this game, this game, but for most of them I wouldn't like this one, Test Crosses. So let's just see how it does. Select. Let's just not. Okay. This lags too, so hi guys, this might be the end of the video.